tie. We're not doing that. Hey, what's up everybody? I look crazy. I have like Fenty Beauty on my lips. I treated myself. Treat myself. So excited because I should have never done this.
Like at all, girl.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh, this is not gonna come off. I need this off.
Okay, so we're just gonna get into it. This is gonna be my third HalloQueen look for Halloween.
I'm so excited.
I hope you guys are too, because this one's gonna be super different. But drum roll please, this HalloQueen costume look is going to be from DExter's laboratory. I'm gonna be Agent HoneyDew. She's smoking hot and I'm gonna try to emulate her look, so stay tuned you guys. Can't wait for you guys to see like the costume and the hair.
First but not least, we're gonna go in with e.l.f. I finally bought a new e.l.f. eyebrow pencil for $3 in the deep brown. It's deep enough for it to pass as like a natural black. Agent Honeydew definitely didn't have brows. That was not gonna stop me from not wearing brows. That's just not my look, so I'm not gonna do that. But you can just conceal your brows out. But I just felt like my forehead would have been as long as the sky, so no. Brows have fully grown out. Honestly, thinking about waxing them, I don't know why. But it's kind of hard for me to get into the habit of shaping them. Next is the Glam Glow primer. I'm only using it because I lost my Laura Mercier primer. It's okay, but it'll work. I really kind of honestly don't use primers unless I do have the Laura Mercier. Next, we're going in with the CC brow pencil. I love this brow pencil. It was gifted to me. It makes my brows look so natural and I can't overfill with it. I enjoy that. Look how natural that looks. I adore that. Y'all, I love to say I love concealer, but I don't know if bronzing or concealer is my favorite part. But we are going in with the LA Girl. It's like the yellow beige corrector. And I'm just gonna put that everywhere because Honeydew, Agent Honeydew, her skin is like no beauty marks, no pimples, nothing, solid, one color. So I might not even contour. Next, we're going in with Marc Jacobs Beauty foundation in the color Tan Y. It's like 2040. Gonna put that everywhere. Just want that really clear looking face, like the cartoon. Then we're doing the LA color powder in the color Tan and just putting that everywhere just to make sure it's matted out. It's so interesting like watching this video because I had like a dozen mirrors and I feel like that's necessary so you can actually see every angle of buffing out. That's like a really good tip. Try it, you guys. Have at least like 2 mirrors or 3, maybe even 4. Ooh, that'd be heaven. 4. Current food obsession, pineapple lemonade. Try it. You should try it. Took that LA Girl corrector concealer and put it on my eyes to use it as a base for my eyeshadow. Agent Honeydew, her eyeshadow is really simple, so I'm pretty excited about this. This is why the video is not that long. It was like a pretty like lavender purple, and I was like, that's easy to make. So here's how we started. Whoop, there it is. I found my Lorac Pro. We're gonna start off with the white and use that as the eyeshadow base. Don't be alarmed, the eyeshadow does look gray because I'm not the color white, of course, but this is perfect because this will be easier for you to apply your colors. Your bright colors, your light colors, that would be hard to show up on darker skin tones. Nature Provocateur. I always say it wrong. That's the Marc Jacobs Beauty. It's like a hues of purple palette. It's really good. I thought this would be perfect for this look. I'm taking their color that I'm going to link in the description because I don't know it off bat. But it's such a pretty shimmery, well no, it's not the shimmery color. It's actually like the second lightest purple shade that was a matte. Then I went in with like the shimmery purple, which was the first color in the palette. Now we're going in with some liner because she's a cartoon. I just wanted to exaggerate my already big eyes.
That's cute.
Yeah, the Nars Climate mascara may be cute, but it burns. Seriously, literally. Well, I think it burns. It's either me or my contacts. I wear clear contacts because I don't like wearing glasses. I tend to break every pair I get, no matter the cost or how durable they are. I know. Call me irresponsible. But this mascara, it does what it's supposed to do, but I feel like it makes my eyes burn. And that makes me think it has an ingredient in it that's causing that reaction. I don't want to keep testing it out, but I might have to. Stay tuned. I will say it did a good job coating my top and bottom lashes. Then I'm going in with a drugstore brand blush, very like flesh tone. I like it. I think it's called Essence. Well, the brand is called Essence. Next, I'm using a lip liner. So Agent Honey, her lips are very natural, so I'm just gonna use a pinky natural lip liner. This is Wet n Wild. I like this lip liner. I will link it below. Then I'm going to Nars lip gloss. This is from Orgasm Blush. It got so popular it became a lip gloss. I love Orgasm Blush.
Drop them draws, you know what I want.
Now I'm putting on a nude highlighter. It truly is a nude highlighter. Not one of my favorites, but this will be great for the look because she doesn't have makeup on too much really going on, so I wanted to keep it like that. This is the Dior, I think it's like Air Glow Nude Glow, and the number 003, I think it's Rose Gold.
Okay, so here's the face. Wow, I did that under than 35 minutes. I'm the shit. Now I'm gonna go off camera and do my hair and come back with my costume. I'll be back.
Haha, and I'm back with Monkey. I don't have her voice.
If you guys don't know who this is, this shows how old you are. And that's okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, my thing. I thought I couldn't work with this. But there we have it. Here is the outfit. I am Agent Honeydew. This wig took forever, but I did it. Ah, so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Here's the bodysuit. I got this from Amazon. I will be linking everything below. I love Halloween and I can't wait to wear this out. This is going to be so much fun. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video and if you want to see more cosplay, Halloween, or makeup tutorials, or just me talking, then like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're gonna subscribe, hit that notification bell twice. That's what Monkey said. Thanks, Monkey. Bye. See ya in my next video of HalloQueen series. Ah! Oh, I put lashes on too. Yes. Bye, y'all.